Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker. And as the title down below suggests, today we're going to unbox month 2 with the Leither Co. yarn box. So last month, we got this absolutely stunning yarn. I am still head over heels in love with this yarn. I kind of want all of it. Just absolutely in love. So Turtle Bay was the name of the yarn. So the theme was Turtle Bay. We have the Turtle Bay fingerless gloves. The mug cozy. Oh, hopefully I didn't end up losing my... There it is. She included a button for the mug cozy, which I have yet to sew on. We got a Progress Keeper stitch marker. I am making a mess, sorry. And this beautiful wooden hook. So that was last month's box. I made no bones about when I when I unboxed this box, how ecstatic I was with what was inside. Absolutely love the yarn. It was a dream to work with it. I found the hook to be a little bit fidgety, but that's me, not the hook. That's the way I hold the hook. I think actually I can use that style hook if it were a larger hook head, but anything that small anyway is a very fidgety size for me. But this month, you guys, I am still happy. I am still very happy. So this is our yarn this month. Oh, and it's actually showing up really true to color. So this is Avocado Tweed DK. It's 85% superwash merino, 10%, I think it's Donegal. 231 yards, 100 grams. And I love specking and tweeding in yarn. That's one of my all-time favorite visual textures. So I am super happy. This is so luscious once again. Whatever her base is, this is her... Sorry, Pippin just, jumped down right under the camera and, shot out. I think there's a squirrel that he's chasing, or it's the birds. We have, a baby mockingbird in the backyard and an adult mockingbird that are hopping around out there. Anyway, wherever she gets her yarn bases from, this stuff is amazing. Both months, my first tactile experience was just I want to squish. I want to squish. Very, very happy with that. Our hook this month. I think that says 5.5 millimeter. The handle's actually a little bit thinner on this, which I think will be nice. A couple of you guys already subscribed to this box, and you pointed out that this is an Amora hook, clover hook head, which is why I had no problem actually with the hook. That is my preferred hook. But the handle is what I'm more concerned with. So I will try once again to use the hook. If not, that's fine. I mean, I tried something different. Our stitch marker for this month is this beautiful angel. There is a card included in here. Exciting news, we've exclusively switched our crochet hook tips to Clover brand hooks. Yay! Literally. Yay! Also beginning with our February collection subscription box, we'll be including 2 crochet tutorials for each box to go along with the crochet patterns. Effective January 20th, 2020, renewal day. the price will increase $5 a month to $45 a box. So it'll be $45 a box. The yarn box will increase $3.25 a month, so that makes it $23 a month to get just the yarn box. And I think the yarn comes with the progress keeper, the patterns in the yarn. So the only thing you're not getting is the hook. Willow, I guess, is the theme for this month. And I forgot to post at the top of this, so these are our patterns this month. So hard to... And it is a 5.5 millimeter hook. So I can't really complain. I mean, the box is almost exactly the same value. I will run through that real quick. As I said last month with this, what I'm going to do for the patterns from this point forward in all of my reviews is I'm going to go out and pick 6 random of that item that have a similar structure and put an average of those 6 together, and that's what I'm calling the pattern price. So for this month, estimated value, $25 for the yarn. That's about going rate for a hank of yarn. Hook, $25. That's the average going rate. Lower end average. Like I said, some of these are like $80 hooks when you go out online. Stitch marker, $5. Hat patterns on average appear to be around $4.75. Boot cuff patterns, $4.05. So that made the total value of this box come out to $63.80. The price I'm paying is $34 plus shipping. Like I said, it is going to go up. So, I mean, once again, the value's there for it. I can't really complain that much. I do have, my box is the deluxe confetti box. So, a couple of people asked about that. But yeah, it's the deluxe confetti is the one that I'm getting. It's the one that has the colorful hook to go with the yarn. I think the other one is like naturals or something. I'm sorry. My sinuses are like freaking out. I can't tell if I caught Troy's cold and I'm on the beginning edge of it, or if I'm just, the weather went from 70 to 20 in less than 48 hours. So I don't know what the deal is, but I'm still itchy and puffy and my eyes they're itchy right at the water line of my eye, so I keep messing with my eyes. I'm trying to not do that on camera, but I keep forgetting and then I catch myself. But yeah, I wish I could say more about it, but it seems to be a solid box so far, and I'm really happy. I love the color. I'm not as like gonzo for it as I was last month's box. However, it is stunning. I mean, it really is genuinely a very pretty yarn. So I can't complain at all about that yarn. So I'm happy. I feel like the value is there for the deluxe confetti. You would take $25 off of that to get the on average value for what you would get if you just get the yarn subscription box. That's, like I said, I think that's the stitch marker, the yarn, and the patterns. I still think that's a value. So I don't know. I'm still considering canceling my knit crate and replacing it with just the yarn subscription in January and continuing that for a little while and just enjoying the lighter yarns. But I'm very happy. So take it as you will. I will come back with you guys. I enjoyed the patterns last month. I had no issue making those. I did have a substantial amount left over, and I'm still debating on coming back. I mean, I had like half the cakes or skein still left over, and I am considering coming back on the fingerless mitts here and putting a ribbing border down here and just kind of lengthening it maybe an inch. That's still not going to use a whole lot of the yarn. So I don't know. I haven't decided what to do with my scrap yet. Or this is really leftovers. I wouldn't call this scrap. I mean, it's half a hank. So, I mean, you still have enough to play with. There's still other options for that. You could make another mug cozy and another pair of gloves. So it's not, yeah, even being a single hank subscription box, I didn't feel like I got short shrifted or anything in the potential for last month's box. So, I mean, I don't know if I'm going to come back and do a full review on this box just because I think my unboxing reviews kind of say it all. I might come back and just do a final product. What did I make with my 3 months, and talk about maybe something like that as a 4th video. But yeah, so there we are. That is the Leither box. I will leave a link down below in the description box for this. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know. I really enjoy interacting with you guys, and I love hearing what you guys think based on what I say. All right, you guys. I will see you later. Bye.